we're 34 and 32.
It's a video.
In 1 minute, 35.
I know. She's gonna be 36 tomorrow. What is it?
The video? What is it?
It's a video.
Video's awesome. Video's awesome. These two motherfucking cunts right here, dude.
Why?
In that shit. Every day of the week. Me, Clint, fucking in that shit.
Tell us about your special day that's coming up. It is a video.
It's a fucking
Were you
video.
posing for a while?
I'm sitting here like a retard. Sunday, my birthday, fucking Jack and Tack's birthday, the Nan.
The Nan.
Fucking Nan. Sometimes it's a mustache. Or the legend. I don't know. Some people call me the legend. It's like a myth.
Yeah?
Better.
Mandy, tell me something that nobody knows about you. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do on Saturday night? Go ahead.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
That was a picture. I was gonna say when I was a kid I had a bullet.
Did you really? I'm down.
You should get a shot of the rain.
I should.
That is solid.
Alright, so this is my school. This is Clint. And this is what it looks like outside of my school. It's fucking pouring! And we're gonna go to the bar.
Right. Where's the bar at? Right here?
Which bar?
Somewhere over there.
Somewhere over there. Okay, we're gonna go to a bar over there. It's fucking pouring.